gotta look what's in there. A hat and gloves.
A hat and some gloves.
Go hunting, camouflage hat and gloves. Wow. What else is in here? Do you want to put your hand in here to see? Put your hand in here to see what's in there.
Brockadoo. Hey, Brockadoo. What you got there, buddy?
A little speed racer. Let's see what it does. Not working very good.
What's in there? Oh,
Nice
that's it.
ball. Yay! Cool deal.
I got that.
I know you did.
I did this.
What you got, Cade man?
Gloves!
All right.
It's gonna be cold and rainy today, so maybe we'll see what's in Brock's.
Hey, don't push, Brock.
Where's yours? I think Brock got some more balls.
Who's got more?
Let's go find your stocking. Come on, Brock.
Eating the golf club. Good job.
Where is this? Oh, here it is. Come here, Brock.
One ball?
Look, it's a balls. Watch, Brock. Watch. Look how you do this. Watch. See?
In the little car.
Brock, watch.
You
look,
what?
Look, you hit it. You hit the ball.
Come here and I'll put them on.
See? Here. Hit the ball, Brock. Hit the ball. Get your golf clubs, Cade. Hit the ball.
No.
Cade wants his gloves on. Oh no. Maybe it felt a little big.
Other end, Brock. Other end.
Right?
Good job. Go get it.
Good job.
Good
Oh,
job.
Okay, next one.
Cade, you got to show Brock how to play golf, buddy, because you know already. Ooh, I like those gloves.
They're just a little big. Alright, we'll grow into them, huh? Ooh, there we go. You got it, buddy.